ए
तो जी हाँ दोस्तों, स्वागत है आपसे एक और नए ब्लॉग में। दिखाइए आर के मिशन, हम लोग आए हुए हैं एग्जीबिशन देखने के लिए। कैंपस कुछ ज़्यादा ही बड़ा है दोस्तों, और
कैमरामैन शांतनु के साथ।
हाँ
So here we are at RK Mission in Tiwari Chowk, Deoghar. We have here come as they had held an exhibition, a science exhibition. Basically, we would not call it a science exhibition because you see, there's a mixture of each and every kind of exhibition here. We've got sports, we've got history, geography, and defense and literature. Let's come have a look together. So as we can see that this is the entry gate for this place. I would like to tell you all that this is my second time entering because I've already had a look at the whole place. So here we are. As soon as we get here, we get a map that that tells us everything that is present in this place. So here we are at our first room, that is art, and you can see that the students have created very beautiful pieces of art here. We've got anime also. Here's Vaishno Devi, Shivling, Sri Jagannath, more anime. We've got Cristiano Ronaldo. We've got the frame pictures also, like the broken frames. And then this masterpiece. Thank you. Following, here comes defense. Now what do we have in defense? We've got all kinds of war equipments from the past to the future. We've got rockets and missiles from NASA. We've got Indian maps discussing all the major points. We've got jet planes. We've got military camps. This one here is a military camp, a temporary one made for Kargil war. Then we've got more of these planes. And here comes a very big attraction, a working military tank. Can you please demonstrate?
ध्रुवज्योति चंद्रा, कौचम दिवाकर, पृथ्वीराज मल्लिक, आयुष वत्स, अभिजीत भगत एंड शौनक देव।
सर ये हम लोग का T-90 टैंक है। ओरिजिनली तो ये रशिया में फाउंड हुआ था ईयर 1992 में। अब जैसे सर ये रियल लाइफ में आपको डेमोस्ट्रेट करता हूँ कि जैसे चलते चलते हर दूसरे आदमी का सैमसंग एप्पल का फ़ोन है, तो ऐसा इसलिए क्योंकि उसका मास प्रोडक्शन है वो फैला हुआ है, जिसके चलते इंपोर्ट एक्सपोर्ट हो पा रहा है, जिसके चलते उसका डेवलपमेंट हो पा रहा है। तो बिना पब्लिसिटी के कहीं पे भी डेवलपमेंट नहीं है। तो वही इसके साथ भी केस था एक समय पे 1992 में। तो रशिया ने जल्दी अपनी गलती सुधारी और अपने अगले मॉडल के दौर में यानी 90 के बीच में उसने अपनी गलती सुधारी और इस मॉडल का मास प्रोडक्शन करना चालू किया थाउजेंड्स में, जिसके चलते इसका बहुत इंपोर्ट एक्सपोर्ट हो पाया, जो एक मॉडल इंडिया में भी आया। फिर इंडिया अभी हम लोग सब जानते हैं स्टिल डेवलपिंग नेशन, और रशिया कब का
Raj of class 7 is requested to report at Defense Department. Madhav Kumar of class 7 is requested to report at Defense Department.
इसकी नॉर्मल स्पीड 45 से 60 किलोमीटर रफ टेरेन्स या माउंटेनस सरफेस पे जा सकती है। इसका मिसाइल रेंज 500 किलोमीटर है और इस टैंक का एवरेज वजन 50 से 70 किलोग्राम तक जा सकता है। मैं क्लास 8 का बच्चा हूँ और इसमें हमने कुछ ऐसे फीचर्स लगाए हैं कि ये अपने एक्सल पे घूम सकता है जैसे एक ओरिजिनल टैंक घूमता है, और ये फायर भी करता है। तो अगर आप सभी की अनुमति होगी तो मैं एक और दिखाऊंगा कि फायर कैसे करता है।
I repeat, Madhav Kumar of class 7 is requested to report Defense Department.
CaC2 कैल्शियम कार्बाइड, जो कि नॉर्मल फ्रूट पकाने का काम आता है। हम लोग आम है तो भी फ्रूट खाते हैं, उसमें कार्बाइड से पकाया है। इसमें जब H2 यानी नॉर्मल कोई भी टैप वाटर से रिएक्ट होता है तो उससे एसिटिलीन गैस फॉर्म होता है, जो कि गैस फ्लेमेबल होता है। और उस गैस में अगर एक भी स्पार्क अगर हम लोग के द्वारा दे दिया जाए तो Not
There are two science exhibition buses beside the main pandal. All the visitors are requested to visit those after visiting the main pandal. I repeat, there are two science exhibition buses beside the main pandal. All the visitors are requested to visit those after visiting
And
the
here
main pandal.
we
Thank
have
you.
Visakhapatnam ship, Vikrant. Following, we are going to Geonomics.
Demonstrators of each
And
every
here
department
we are
asked to
covering
place their
a
proper
very
place.
vast variety of
I
topics.
repeat, demonstrators of each and every
Here we have
department asked to
city
place
plannings,
their proper place.
the solar system.
Mr. Raja, class 7 is requested to report at
We've got revenue collection systems from Deoghar. We've got National Highway Authority of India model. Can you please elaborate this one?
This is a model of National Highway of India. By making this model, the main purpose of making this model is to show the importance of National Highway in our life. National Highway is a very important part of our life because nowadays many persons have big vehicles or cars. So it is very hard to manage these vehicles due to traffic problems when these vehicles travel by normal route. So the government of India constructs national highways. These highways have package space and also make our journey easier and faster. And it increase our vehicle high mileage. And national highway connects two or more states with each other. Like NH44, it is the longest national highway in our country. It extended to Jammu Kashmir to Kanyakumari. And also there are 599 national highways which link 28 states and 98 union territories of our country with each other. Now, the construction of these national highways, how these national highways constructed, from there the income to construct these national highways will come. These income will come from the toll collected from us. NHAI, the National Highway Authority of India, constructs toll booths at fixed intervals, which collect toll from the vehicles which passes through it.
There are two science exhibition buses beside the main India. All the visitors are requested to visit those buses. They are so more fourth department is requested to report to the department.
When our car reaches near the toll booth, the gate goes down. When the tax is collected from there, then it goes.
Madhav Kumar of class 7 is requested to report at Defense Department immediately. Rishabh Raj of class 7 is requested to report at
Thank you.
Department immediately.
Then we've got career counseling here, forwarding. Here's a quiz which I had taken part in. So could you please elaborate this one?
बेसिकली यहाँ पे 5 साइंटिस्ट दिए हुए हैं। इसका पिक्चर है, आपको जस्ट गेस करना है। यहाँ पे दो ऑप्शन है, इस पिक्चर का कौन सा करेक्ट नेम है। अगर आप करेक्ट नेम पे क्लिक कीजिएगा, ये जो बल्ब है यहाँ पे ब्लू बल्ब वो ग्लो करेगा। अगर आपका ऑप्शन रॉन्ग होगा तो ये साउंड प्रोड्यूस करेगा। जैसे देखिए पहला पिक्चर है, ये अमर्त्य सेन का है। अगर आप इसको क्लिक कीजिए सही पे, लाइट ग्लो किया। अगर आपका ऑप्शन अगर रॉन्ग पे क्लिक किए तो ये साउंड प्रोड्यूस करेगा। सही है, करेक्ट। सही है, रॉन्ग।
Okay, thank you. Then here we have mining facilities where iron is being mined. We've got the map of Bihar with some national development plans. And then we have oil refinery. The whole process of oil refinery is explained here.
where we can see that how the crude oil is extracted from the seabed and that is purified and further is acceptable or finally we get as a product to use. So from the seabed we extract it in oil tank. Now after that from the crude tank. After this, from the crude tank the storage is done, and from here the refining process is started. After this it goes to the heater. Through heater it goes to the crude unit. This heater contains heating gas chamber which produces heat so that up to densities it can be arranged, and these densities are arranged like gasoline, उसके बाद हो गया पेट्रोलियम, उसके बाद हो गया डीजल, उसके बाद केरोसिन. ऐसे हम एज्यूम कर लेते हैं 3 गो लेयर है. हाँ, गैसोलीन हो गया, डीजल हो गया, पेट्रोलियम हो गया. वो प्रोसेस से जाएंगे. प्यूरिफिकेशन स्टार्ट हो गया. यहाँ पे ड्राई प्रोडक्ट्स आना शुरू कर देंगे, वेस्ट प्रोडक्ट्स, और यहाँ पे आना शुरू कर देंगे प्योर प्रोडक्ट्स. प्योर प्रोडक्ट्स यहाँ पे फिर से जाएगा अंडरग्राउंड यहाँ से पाइपलाइन से, और यहाँ पे फिर ब्लेंडर्स में आएंगे. उसके बाद यहाँ पे फिर ड्राई प्रोडक्ट्स आएगा. ऐसे करते करते यहाँ पे 3 नंबर पे आएगा. अगर एक्सट्रैक्शन के बाद हम देखें प्योर हो गया तो ठीक है, अगर नहीं हुआ तो इसको वापस हम यहाँ पे रिफॉर्मर में डालेंगे. रिफॉर्मर क्या करेगा, उसको फर्दर रिफॉर्म करके रिफाइन कर देगा, प्योर कर देगा. अगर मैन्युफैक्चरिंग करता है तो इम्प्योरिटीज रह जाएंगे जो हमारे स्किन डिजीज को कॉज करते हैं. अब मैप में आप देख सकते हैं कि दिग्बा
Visitors are requested to cooperate with the volunteers in our rush not to make any chaos outside the site center. And visitors are requested to cooperate with the volunteers in our rush not to make
कम्प्लेक्स होता है
any
सिस्टम
chaos
पूरा.
outside the
यहाँ पे
site center.
डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन के लिए सिंपल कर चुके हैं हम. वही है हमारा सिस्टम, इकोनॉमी को भी बैकअप देता है. थैंक यू.
Forwarding, we've got entertainment. And I must tell you that there are so many memes, you'll be impressed. Here they are. Look at them. The kids are just so creative here. Then we also got mini games to play.
भैया अभी तक स्कूल नहीं गए, घर नहीं गए.
So here is a game in which the boy is blindfolded, and this disc is rotated. Now the boy has to point on the stickers given here, and he'll get runs accordingly. So how many runs have you scored till now?
2 balls, 4 runs.
2 balls and 4 runs. And are you out or still going to play?
Still going.
Okay. Best of luck. Here's a very classical game you all must be knowing about. We've got marbles here which we roll down the surface, and the points are given accordingly. This one is a game that is going in trends right now. We've got a marble which we have to launch in the moon. So from the earth we've got the Chandrayaan going to the moon. Will this guy succeed? Let's see. Congratulations. Following, we've got a game of slingshotting. And here we have to post the goal while the goalkeeper blocks it. We've got football. Last but not the least is now here we are, history and sociology. This is the Ashok Chakra, the Noble Eightfold Path. It provides right action, right effort, right livelihood, concentration, mindfulness, intention, view and speech. We've got pictures all over, as you can already see. This is something that I found very interesting. It's the war trenches that were drawn on the west frontier by France and Germany. This one's for World War I.
The trenches were divided in 2 parts. The frontline trench, which is used for the attacking purpose, and the supporting trench, which is used for storage and for the living of the soldiers. These are bridges which were used for the propagation of tanks into the no man's land or to the other trench for attacks. These were barbed wires which were used to protect the trenches from entering any tank, and also spies and others. These are craters which were formed due to the bombings, aircraft bombings, artillery bombings. Due to that, these were tin sheds. If any bomb would drop, there was a chance that the trench walls would collapse. Thus, they were provided with tin sheds so that they support the trench walls from collapsing. The trench warfare machine line representation.
You're the first one who guessed it in the first try.
Oh, thank you. So, as the people here explained me, these are the war trenches and these are the back trenches which were used for storage. These were used for tank passages, and here are barbed wires. These are craters caused by bombardings, and these are tin folds that were placed here to stop the soil and other crumblings. Here you've got the Sanchi Stupa. You've got the concentration camps by Nazism. We've got Hitler all over here. So if I'm not wrong, this is a concentration camp. Could you please elaborate?
This is concentration camp that was built in the regime of the Nazis. It was built to bring Jews and other undesirable races to these concentration camps, put them into residence, and then finally gas them into gas chambers and bury them in the sand. This is the racial hierarchy where Hitler believes that only the Aryans were the superior race and all other races were inferior. This is the process how Jews and other inferior races were classified, then symbolized, then finally put to death by Hitler. And that is Hitler's rise to power. How he, from being a mere soldier, he became the most powerful man in all of Europe.
So these are the insides of concentration camp.
No, this is of the Führer bunker.
Huh?
Führer bunker.
Could you please elaborate?
Actually, this is a Führer bunker which is located in Berlin, where Hitler, after losing in World War II from the Allied powers, decided together with his wife Eva Braun and his finance minister Joseph Goebbels in the Eva Braun's building.
Okay. So all this Nazism done by you, all these projects on Nazism, I really appreciate it. So here is the red Baro plane, which was used in the World War I.
Welcome everyone. I made a basic plane model. This plane model named as the Red Baron. So it has been made in the year 1915 and it's been used in the time of First World War. As you guys know that First World War was started in the year 1914 and ends in the year 1918. So it's been used at that time, and also the specialty of this plane is that it killed 80 enemies at that time within half an hour. So this is great specialty of this plane, and also it has a secret chamber here. You see, it has a secret chamber here, by which if the radar marks some enemy planes, it just open out automatically and just kill the enemy planes. So here you can see the German army named Friedrich Wöhler, and also here you can see his first flight at German military base camp. So it is a thing, and also after the great success, many people came to him and many people say, how do you do it, how do you did it, and many people just praise him. And also Friedrich Wöhler has been introduced his work everyone, and also this is the picture of this, and also this is the present model of Red Baron, which is preserved in Spain in the 21st century, and this is a photograph of 19th. That is all about the Red Baron, and my model is made by me. Thank you.
Got the coffin, which contains the pyramid mummy. We've got Egypt, Pyramid of Giza, and what's this one?
Sun Temple.
The Sun Temple. Thank you. And following, we've got little scientists and little humanists. So we'll first take a look at little humanists, and then we'll move forward to the scientists. So here the kids have shown their thoughts regarding humanity and mankind. You can see how creative these children are. They've got games and attractions everywhere. Now let's move forward to little scientists. And what do we have here? Which is this one?
This is spin launch.
Spin launch. Could you please demonstrate it once?
Spin launch is a rocket launching system in which a high tensile tether rotates the rocket in a high speed so that it gets energy and centrifugal force, and when it gets that required velocity, it releases the rocket through its release mechanism that goes tangentially, and then it reaches the sky and opens up its booster to overcome the remaining atmospheric drag. To overcome the atmospheric drag, and it is successful also because it has been tested earlier and it can be used in future because it uses renewable energy, that is electricity.
Thank you.
Here are two science exhibition
Following,
buses beside the
we
main
have
pandal.
a very beautiful diagram of a sustainable energy city. A city that only uses sustainable energy. We've got industries, hotels, offices, network hubs, hospitals, everything is here. But we've got solar plant for electricity, we've got powerhouse for storage, we've got accident prevention, we've got windmills. And what do we have here? What is
ये एक मतलब एयर प्रोपेल्ड कार है, यहाँ प्रोपेलर लगा हुआ है, ड्रोन वाला मोटर है, इससे मतलब आगे पीछे ये रडार सिस्टम है, पीछे के लिए रडार सिस्टम है, अल्ट्रासोनिक सेंसर लगा हुआ है, ये क्या अल्ट्रासोनिक ये एक एयर प्रोपेल्ड कार 40 सेंटीमीटर पे मोटर नहीं लगा हुआ है, आया तो इसको डिटेक्ट कर ले और बजर ड्राइवर है और मोटर और ये डिस्टेंस दिखाता है कि कितने दूरी पे ऑब्जेक्ट है और कितने एंगल पे है। यहाँ पे जो रेड कलर का मार्क देख रहे हो दिखाता है कि ऑब्जेक्ट इसके रेंज में है, और कोई ऑब्जेक्ट इसके रेंज में नहीं होगा तो जो पूरा सेमी सर्कल का एरिया वो पूरा ग्रीन हो जाएगा। अभी आप लोग को डिटेक्ट कर रहा है जितना ज़्यादा रेड मार्क उतना पास में ऑब्जेक्ट है।
So what these people make here are just so inspiring and impressive.
सर्कल है इसका, अगर सिलों पर
We've got kidney structures here.
Demonstrators of each
How
and
does
every
the
department
kidney
are
work?
requested to be in
We've
their
got the blood
places.
supply, we've
Judges
got
are on the
renal
round.
veins, we've got ureter, renal artery, and here's the urinary bladder. What is this one, brother?
This is an automatic railway crossing. Generally, we've been seeing that the railway crossings are manually controlled, but this is an automatic one. Here is the ultrasonic sensor which senses the train, the Arduino, which has the code installed that the servo motors need to be closed when the train is going. You may see here when the train is going, the sensor senses it and closes the gate. Again, you may see the sensor senses it and closes the gate. Thank you.
And here, what do we have here?
We have wastewater treatment plant.
Wastewater treatment plant.
Every year, 50 million gallons of water is wasted. And in India, there are also many factories. But in every factory, there cannot be some mechanism that can clean the dirty water into the clean water. So we have made a project which is very real.
Students of class 10 of biology department are requested to report to their respective department. I repeat, students of class 10 of biology department are requested to report to their respective department.
चलो
The first three obstruct the big contaminants, and the second two obstruct the small contaminants and report the clean water.
Wow,
And
that's
this
impressive.
It can be used for domestic purposes like gardening purposes.
It's a really great initiative.
लेट हो रहा है मेरा।
And here, finally, we have we've got Darth Vader, we've got Star Wars, we've got Harry Potter and the Quidditch match. We've got the Ram temple in Ayodhya. We've got Dawn Treader, we've got volcanoes, we've got Asgard also.
There is no need to hurry. You can visit all departments completely. time it will resume again. It is to inform everybody that blood test is temporarily closed in bio department. It will resume once again.
All the members of the sports department are requested to immediately report to the department. All the members of the sports department are requested to immediately report to the department. Kanhaiya Lal of Class 6 is requested to report at Tournament Department. I repeat, Kanhaiya Lal of Class 6 is requested to report at Tournament Department.
2:10 हो रहा है.
Shivam Pranjal of Class 9 is requested to report at Defense Department.
2:10.
Rishabh Raj of Class 7 is requested to report at Defense Department. I repeat, Rishabh Raj of Class 7 is requested to report at Defense Department. Autri Sastar of Class 8 is requested to report at History Department. I repeat, Autri Sastar of Class 8 is requested to report at History Department.
All the demonstrators of sports department are requested to report to the respective departments. All the demonstrators of sports department are requested to report to their respective departments.
मैथमेटिक्स का एक बहुत फेमस प्रॉब्लम है जिसमें आपको चीज़ दिखाना है कि अगर आप एक इनिशियल पॉइंट लेते हैं तो आपको हर ब्रिज ट्रैवल करके वापस इनिशियल पॉइंट पे आना है और आपको कंडीशन ये है कि आप एक ब्रिज को एक ही बार ट्रैवल कर सकते हैं। अगर आप इधर गए तो आप वापस इधर नहीं आ सकते इसको ट्रैवल करके। इसलिए आपको अगर ऐसा कोई अरेंजमेंट मिलता है तो आप बताएं, अगर आपको नहीं मिल पा रहा है तो उसका भी रीज़न बता के ऐसा क्यों नहीं हो पा रहा।
नहीं, किसी तरीके का अरेंजमेंट नहीं मिल रहा है।
तो इसका आपको रीज़न आपको मिल सकता है कि अगर 1, 2, 3, 4 यहाँ पे लैंड मार्क दिख रहे हैं तो अगर एक लैंड मार्क से ऑड नंबर ऑफ ब्रिजेस कनेक्टेड है, जैसे कि 1, 2, 3 ब्रिज कनेक्टेड है, इससे भी 1, 2, 3 ब्रिज कनेक्टेड है, इससे 1, 2, 3 ब्रिज कनेक्टेड है और इससे 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ब्रिज कनेक्टेड है। अगर ऐसा आपको कोई अरेंजमेंट दिखता है जिससे ऑड नंबर ऑफ एजेस कनेक्टेड है तो आप समझ जाए कि इसका कोई पॉसिबल सॉल्यूशन है ही नहीं। इसका रीज़न आपको पहले दिया था, ऑयलर नाम के एक मैथमेटिशियन है जो कि बहुत फेमस मैथमेटिशियन है, और ऐसा पॉसिबल होने के लिए कम से कम दो ऐसे नोट्स होने चाहिए जिसके इवन नंबर ऑफ एजेस हो, तभी ये कोई अरेंजमेंट पॉसिबल हो पाएगा।
ओके।
This is ellipsograph for Archimedes' camel. It is named after mathematician Archimedes. It was his first discovery, and while we rotate it, it forms an ellipse. In solar system, planets revolve around the sun on this elliptical path, not on circular path. This is
GPS stands for Global Positioning System. Suppose we need to find the location of a person standing on the pitch, but we have been given 3 measurements. He is 15 meters from the center, he is 8 meters from the left goal post, and from the right goal post, he is 10 meters away. So we draw 3 circles. One from the right goal post with radius 10, one from the left goal post with radius 8, and one from the center with radius 15. So the 3 circles will intersect at a point, and the point of intersection of the 3 circles will be the location of the person. This fundamental principle is known as trilateration, and it is the main mathematical principle used behind GPS, one of the most used discoveries of mankind.
Okay, thank you. So what do we have here?
Sir, we have the autonomous spinal cord. Sir, in an average of an adult human being, it is 40 cm long and 2 cm wide. So it sets up the vital link between our brain and our body. Sir, it is divided into fibers: sacral, lumbar, cervical, thoracic, and coaxial. So this is numb. So they are all how to respond. They are present in very large number inside our body as cells. Sir, all the information from our body that are carried and received by the nerve impulses are received by nerves. So they help us how to respond. Neurons. Neurons are unique in their ability to receive and transmission messages in our body. They are inside the nerves. They are present in billions. Sir, they get never replaced or they have मतलब उनका कोई सृष्टि भी नहीं है, उनका मृत्यु भी नहीं है. हम लोग के लाइफ टाइम से देखते हैं न्यूरॉन का नंबर सेम ही रह जाता है. सर बाई चांस इफ इट गेट्स डैमेज देन इट विल गेट डैमेज थ्रू आउट द लाइफ टाइम. इसीलिए हम लोग जब भी गाड़ी चलाते हैं तो हेलमेट पहनना ज़रूरी होता है. थैंक यू सर. जाना है क्या बात करने?
कहाँ, किससे?
बोला था ना डांस.
अरे तो यहाँ से निकलेंगे उसके बाद चलेंगे.
चला गया यहाँ का. फोटोग्राफ में तुम नहीं था?
नहीं नहीं. इसको क्या हो गया? कैसे काम करता है? ओह, फेक ब्लड. तो कौन कौन सा सॉल्यूशन रहता है ये?
एमोनियम थायोसायनेट, फेरिक क्लोराइड, ये दोनों का सॉल्यूशन होता है. तो फेरिक थायोसायनेट कैल्शियम कार्बाइड और वाटर मिक्स है. दोनों को मिक्स करने पर इसके अंदर इथाइन गैस फॉर्म हो रहा है और इस पाइप के थ्रू इस नीडल तक ये आ रहा है और इसको फायर में कॉन्टैक्ट में लेंगे तो फायर गैस करेंगे. नीचे हरा रंग का फूल चल रहा है, ऊपर में ये पीला, क्योंकि हम लोग ये डाले पीला डाला और हरा जला फील कर रहे हैं.
गुड आफ्टरनून. ये एक रोबोटिक आर्म है. रोबोटिक अभी का इंडस्ट्री सब में असेंबली लाइन में यूज़ होता है. असेंबली लाइन में यूज़ होता है. डॉक्टर सब भी अपना सर्जन में यूज़ करते हैं. इसका छोटा वाला पर्सन बनाया हम लोग. एक छोटा प्रोटोटाइप है, इसको अभी हम लोग मैनुअल कंट्रोल कर सकते हैं.
स्लीप वाला आम है. जैसे कभी कोई ड्राइवर ट्रक चलाते हैं सो जाते हैं ना, उससे एक्सीडेंट हो जाती है, लेकिन अब ऐसा नहीं है. जैसे अभी ये चल रहा है गाड़ी, अगर ड्राइवर चलाते आँख बंद देखिए ये हेडलाइट चलेगी और यहाँ पे सेंसर बजेगा। उसके बाद यहाँ पे क्या कर लिया सेंसर बजेगी और गाड़ी रुक जाएगी। तो आप कहीं कहीं देख सकते हैं। रुक गया, आँख बंद करिए। खुद से चल रहा है, मान लीजिए ये चल रहा है, इसको बीच में कोई ब्लॉकेज मिला तो खुद से अपना चेंज कर लिया। ये सब इसमें आर्डिनो ये सब फिट करने के बाद इसको ऐसा बनाया गया सोनिक सेंसर, अल्ट्रासोनिक सेंसर लगा के ये सेंस कर लेता है कि सामने कोई ब्लॉकेज आ रहा है।
थैंक यू।
सॉइल मॉइस्चर सेंसर है, ठीक है। और ये सॉइल और डिटेक्ट कर लेता है कि मॉइस्चर कितना है। अगर इसमें मॉइस्चर कम रहेगा तो लाइक बेसिकली हमारे एयर में तो कम ही मॉइस्चर होता है, तो ये उसको अपने आप को प्लांट को वाटर करने लग जाएगा। फिर एक टाइम के बाद जब इसमें पूरा प्लांट को अच्छे वाटर कर देगा, उसके बाद मॉइस्चर जब सॉइल में रहेगा तो ये तो इससे जो हम एक्सेस वाटर प्लांट में डाल देते हैं तो मतलब उसे हार्म भी कर सकते हैं, तो वो सब रुकेगा।
So guys, that was it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Do tell me in the comments, like, share and subscribe.